Good morning, friends. This is OP Agarwal. I've been asked by Mr. Bhaderia to give my views on MSME. I'm quite surprised. I'm a man of taxation basically, but then he insisted that my longer experience, according to him, would help MSME suggestions to be sent to the government. I understand MSME is a well recognized concept. This has a separate ministry provided for its own activities, regulation, and many declarations by the government from time to time. MSME is a sector which is receiving quite proper attention from the government. But amidst Corona and post-Corona, what would happen? What is expected? We even do not know when the Corona thing will sends us out of its clutches. However, it's our perhaps duty as a think tank, this MSME sector is concerned. We really need to ponder over as to how the government, according to us, can help. Government definitely has its own problems, its resource crunches, its normal application, or I would say the wider application of the resources on the entire country, on almost all sectors, and health might even receive primary importance this time. So few suggestions which could be made with reference to MSME is just like deferment of collection of taxes, and in between conversion of these taxation, tax figures, tax collections by the MSME sector to be converted into a kind of seed capital granted to them by the government, and its recovery, like it may not be a new concept for the government. Earlier, when the things were happening in the way that certain backward areas were to be promoted, certain industry sector was to be promoted, these practices have been adopted. So, if the deferment of tax collection, duty, cess, or whatever name we may call it by, it can provide a kind of impetus, a new impetus to the industry suffering a lot, as well as the lower line of resources it possibly has compared to the capital intensive and bigger industries. Therefore, this could be one measure. The second measure could be that the government itself comes out with a kind of announcement or a pronouncement for preferring. I am sure the government must still be preferring the products of MSME to be consumed by government or the public sector, but it can still make little more restrictions on the user of the product, and MSME products, if they are permitted to be rather, I would say, forcefully applied to be used by the government sector, the MSME sector would definitely feel promoted. I understand MSME sector contributes highest to the national scene. It's not only in terms of the contribution to the taxes, in terms of the public perception, public perseverance. MSME sector is perhaps largest to be affected with the Corona kind of situation where everything is under a lockdown, everything is standstill, and it's in a way, for the moment, it can even be said that it's difficult. Rather, it's a time that we save our lives, then we worry about other things. Therefore, all these 2-3 measures. One more measure which could definitely help MSME sector is to bring down all these duty cesses in terms of its basic ingredients like electricity and other taxes which are in the nature of locational advantage to the companies or the MSME sector. Therefore, all these things, if put to use somehow, but of course, government has its own limitation, it's rational. The industry, MSME sector also has to respond well to the kind of arrangement which are made. And last but not the least, I would definitely say that yes, the oldest saying on the commerce, on the economics, is by Chanakya. He has said that जिस राज्य का राजा व्यापार करता है वो राज्य नष्ट हो जाता है. हम एयर इंडिया को इस समय इसका बर्निंग एग्जाम्पल मान सकते हैं, मोस्ट पॉपुलर एग्जाम्पल मान सकते हैं. Therefore, government should also come out with such kind of assistance to the industry that all these bigger industries somehow is split into parts and the job is given to MSME sector. This is perhaps my view. Thank you very much.